Hello, Barry Anderson with Trade Ideas here, showing you the stock of the day. No doubt about it. It is INDP. My goodness, what a run. So we saw this one in the pre-market. This little pink shaded area is the pre-market action. Check to see what the news was. They had some kind of an allowance for a strategic patent. That was the news. More importantly, though, the float was only about 2.2 million. So you knew something was going to happen with this one. Now, it could have gone down immediately, or it could have done this, and look what this one did. So this actually, I broke a bit of a rule. This actually got halted. I think, at around 1380 something or other, or just before 1380. Bottom line is, I don't often take early trades, but I decided to take this one, and man, oh man. Now, I traded in and out of this several times, of course, because it was still whippy. But man, what a run this was on. Interestingly, if you look at let's bring up a 2-minute chart here. There was an opportunity, you see right here, even though this was really, really whippy, right around here, another opportunity to get into this trade, which I took. And, as I was saying into the room, that this was holding 20 quite well. Yeah, I know there's some topping tails and some bottoming tails, but for a stock that is so whippy and with only 2 million in the float, you have to expect that. That was about as good a base as you're going to get for a while. And boy, when it broke through 20, look out. I mean, it got all the way up to 28. You have to trade this. I mean, this is not for new people. It's exciting, yeah, when it's going up, but it's devastating when it's going down. So you've got to be really, really nimble, but what a trade. And that certainly was the trade of the day. So if you have any questions for me, this is the email address you can use, and this is the link for the free room. I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. Hope to see you then. Bye-bye.